experience the luxury of our Detox Bath Salt, a handcrafted blend of 2 salt varieties enhanced with organic lemongrass and lavender essential oils. This exquisite bath soak is designed to soften your skin, soothe aching muscles, and ease your mind, body, and spirit. The ingredients include therapeutic grade Epsom salt, Dead Sea mineral salt, baking soda, alongside organic lemongrass and lavender essential oils. We also add dried lavender flowers and rosebuds for an extra touch of indulgence. To enjoy its full benefits, fill your tub with warm water, add a cup of our Detox Bath Salt, and soak for at least 20 minutes. Remember to hydrate before and after your bath. Relax in the soothing waters as the Dead Sea salt encourages dermal absorption of minerals, while the Epsom salt works on calming your muscles and eliminating toxins. Enjoy this small batch luxury